So just a quick video. We grabbed the camera kind of after the project was 3/4 of the way done, but just wanted to show you guys a little video of grading and spreading some millings or reclaimed asphalt with this Case 448 to 1980, 3-point hitch, 48-inch scraper blade on the back, and a 54-inch dozer blade up front. And the tractor's got wheel weights. Tires are not loaded. We actually got these tires are off this machine now, and we got plans for them going on a different machine, and there'll be more on that to come, what they're going on. And I'll show a picture of this machine with the newer oversized tires you put on it. Now this is a great combination for pushing dirt, gravel, whatever. The balance is great with the weight front and back. The traction's perfect, and they really do a nice job grading and leveling. This was pushing full blades of Asphalt Millings around and spreading out the pile and stuff. And the tractors are extremely capable. And just wanted to give you guys a little example of how they work, leveling driveways or yards or whatever you need to do. For anybody who wants to know, the curl on the top of the plow, on the plow, when we bought it, the plow came off a different machine, and the curl actually came off a different machine. Smaller blade, but I put it on there. I just wanted to see how it worked. We didn't get enough snow this year to say so the jury's still out on it. The only storm we got was wet, heavy concrete snow, and there's a video of it pushing that snow. But the dry powdery stuff, I think it'll work good, but I think it's kind of cool. It's neat. I just want to throw it on there for the heck of it. For you guys that don't know, this is 18 horsepower twin cylinder Onan in this machine. We restored this tractor last year. It was in fairly rough shape, and we use this tractor quite a bit along with a few others in our collection, but this is a workhorse that gets used often.